Hello, welcome to Ninja Robotics channel. We are aiming to break down tech barriers so anyone can build, create, and innovate. If you followed our previous video of build your own OpenClaw AI agent with Raspberry Pi 5, you have likely got an OpenAI agent running on your Raspberry Pi 5. It's alive, it's blinking, and it's pretty cheap, right? But last week, both tech giants Cloud and Google stopped their support of the OpenClaw service. Or more precisely, they banned the connection of using API keys to access their AI models for some security and business reasons. Though these decisions are not difficult to understand, that's not our focus today. To keep our Jarvis alive, we need some kind of brain surgery. And I'm going to show you exactly how to switch the brain of your OpenClaw AI agent. To achieve this, I have tried two options. First, connecting to other AI suppliers in the cloud, like ChatGPT. And option B, running a local small language model like QWin 2.5 entirely offline using Ollama. So let's get started. If you want speed, accuracy, and zero stress on the Raspberry Pi 5, Cloud is the practical choice. And today, we are using OpenAI ChatGPT 5.3 through OpenAI Codex. Moreover, OpenAI now gives you 1 month free plus trial. So go grab it. Okay, to start the switching, first, we need to stop OpenClaw, so nothing will conflict. Type OpenClaw gateway stop. Now we use the built-in wizard and no messy JSON edits today. Just type OpenClaw configure. After going into the wizard, select the local model OpenClaw, then choose OpenClaw Codex. Do not choose API key for this setup. The reason why not using standard API key here is a normal OpenAI API key is typically pay as you go, meaning usage can add up quickly for an autonomous AI agent. So instead, OpenClaw supports ChatGPT Auth, which links OpenClaw to your ChatGPT account using a secure login flow. It can avoid the surprise beer vibe that can happen with the API usage. After selecting, the wizard prints a secure URL. Just copy it and you need to open a new browser on your computer or mobile phone and paste that URL in. Then log into your ChatGPT Plus account and click Authorize. Then you will land on a new blank page with a redirected URL. No worry, just copy that redirected URL and paste it back into the wizard. That's it. OpenClaw wizard will resolve the redirected URL and generate a secure token, so it can link to the model without you suffering passwords into config files. Next, we go to Agents. Select OpenAI Codex, GPT-5.3 Codex, and press Enter and continue. Now let's double check everything by running OpenClaw doctor-fix. If there is no error message, your OpenClaw gateway should run automatically. But here, I want to see the system log. So we can stop the gateway and then type OpenClaw gateway. After it starts, we can go to Telegram and say hi to your AI agent. It should be alive again with even powerful abilities now. So we can ask it anything and it will reply immediately. Pretty simple, right? Now, let's move on to option B. If you don't care about the efficiency and don't want to use it to do complex tasks, you want the privacy. Local deployment may be your only option, but I totally do not recommend it on Raspberry Pi 5. Though I was planning to show you how it works step by step. It was too slow and shut down every time when I asked it to do some even not so complicated task. Running an AI model on a credit card-sized computer is likely trying to feed an elephant into a Mini Cooper. It may fit, but we need to perform many optimizations or even hacks to ensure the car doesn't explode. However, I encourage you to try it on your own. Therefore, I will still provide my step-by-step setup instructions below for your reference. Perhaps someone can find a way to overcome the inefficiency and instability I have encountered. Okay, here are the key takeaways from my personal experience. Cloud AI model is the easiest and fastest way to run your OpenClaw on a Raspberry Pi 5. Using ChatGPT 5.3 via ChatGPT Auth. Local Ollama, on the other hand, works offline and is private, but it requires swapping, tuning, and pre-warming to avoid slowdowns and timeouts. Even with these steps, it is still slow and often unusable. So don't think of running a local model on a Raspberry Pi 5 for practical use unless you run it on a more powerful computer like Mac Mini. Mr. Jamie007 mentioned that adding a Raspberry Pi 5 AI head could greatly help. Thanks for the comment. I think that's worth a try. But if you find a way to optimize the performance of running a local model on Raspberry Pi, please let me know. Leave your comment below. Okay, I hope today's video helps advance your Jarvis and build with the lowest cost. If you like this video, please drop a like, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next one, and happy building!